voice. Voice are the special form of verbs which show whether the subject acts, right? So it is about the subject, is that acting or is it being acted upon? So is it the subject that is doing something or something is being performed by the subject? So in English grammar, voice shows whether the subject of a sentence is doing the action or having the action done to it, or the action is being performed to it. So there are two forms. So if the subject is the actor of the verb, then we say that the verb is in active voice, and when the subject is acted upon by something, it is said to be in passive voice, right? So we can have, when the verb shows that something is done to the person, then we will say that it is a passive form. So the active voice is the normal voice, just we say the normal words, whereas the active voice is also used in common. We are very familiar with the active voice, like generally what we say normally is the active voice. In the active voice, the object is going to receive the action of the verb, and the active voice can have so many different examples. The example like cat eats fish. So here in this sentence, cat is making the subject. What is it performing? It is eating the fish. So this action, the verb, is being performed by the cat. So the cat is eating the fish. The passive voice is less usual. Usually we are not using this passive voice. Here the subject is receiving the action of the verb. The verb that is being performed is received by the subject. So we can take the example the same way, that is the cat eats the fish. If we write it in passive voice, it will be fish are eaten by cat. So fish here is the subject, it is being eaten. So eaten are the verb here, by cat is the object. So here the opposite has taken place. The subject was performing the action is in active voice, but when the action is being performed onto the subject, that forms the passive voice. So this is about the voice.